Today we are foraging for fiddleheads. Fiddleheads are a very nutritious vegetable. It has omega-3s and omega-6s and iron, lots of other vitamins and minerals, and there are a lot of ferns that come up with fiddleheads or croziers. There are only two types of ferns that are edible, and today we are looking at the ostrich fern. The other edible type of fern is called the lady fern. The ostrich fern, as you can see, has its seed stalks that look very feathery. But there are ferns that are not edible that have very similar looking seed stalks. Instead of feathery, though, they have these little round seed pods. So you can see the difference between the inedible fern here with its very distinct round shapes on its stalk versus the stalk of the ostrich fern, which is very feathery. Now let's take a look at the fiddlehead of the ostrich fern itself. See as it's coming up here. Some delicious fiddleheads. They have this brown papery covering on them that comes off very easily. The brown papery covering on the lady fern does not come off that easily, and lady fern fiddleheads are smaller. Note the very deep U-shaped groove in this fiddlehead. The ostrich fern almost looks like a little mini piece of celery. Now, in the store, they'll cut it off right here, when in reality, a little bit of the stalk is very tasty and breaks off very easily. Now, I will saute these in olive oil about 5 minutes or so, just enough to make them tender. You want to clean off this brown papery covering and wash it before you cook, because they will pick up bacteria and other things. You never know if it's a dog walking area, or that plenty of people will eat these raw, but you really should cook them. Okay, again, this is Rachel for Cooking with Mrs. G.